Hello there and welcome to this episode of Talkin Trim. I'm Jonathon Skinner and today we are looking at the door panel casings and the A-post footwell kick panels for the Jaguar E-Type Series 3 models. So that is applicable to the open two-seater Roadster Series 3 as well as the four-seater 2+2 Series 3. So we've got a pair of door panel casings. So these are the main door panels, as you can see here, just to be completely clear. This panel here, we're obviously not talking about the armrest, and actually the upper door top capping is sold separately as well. And then we're also talking about the A-post footwell panels, which are down here in the footwell on the outside of the car, and they have the bonnet release levers to them. So starting with those panels, the A-post footwell panels, they're Millboard, sold in a pair. They're trimmed all the way around apart from on this bottom edge here, which allows you to neatly tuck it underneath your felt and carpet for a nice seamless finish. It's got the pilot holes and cutaways in it for the bonnet release, etc., and they are sold as a pair. Then you've got the main door panel casings, which again, hardboard panel cut on our CNC machine. It's got all the necessary fixing and pilot holes on it for the chromes, for the armrest, for the door lever, window winder rather. Then you've got the opening here for the door insert recess panel, which has the mechanism for opening the door up. We do a large turnover on the top edge and front edge there intentionally because the doors slightly overhang, so it does leave some of the panel exposed, so it's nice to have that all matching and protected. And they're sold in a pair. These have been done in vinyl as per original spec. They've been done in Old Beige, which is an antiqued material, as you can see there. So it's got a black sort of mottled effect on it, one of the original Jaguar colours. We can also offer in leather, so see prices on our website for more details on that. Door panels are sold as a pair, A-posts are sold as a pair. However, all of them are included as part of our trim kit, so bear that in mind. Just while we're looking at the recess openings, these are the plastic panels here that go in and get trimmed onto the back. That's the wrong hand. They get trimmed onto the back, and you obviously have to drill holes in for the mechanisms, etc. We can also offer a fully trimmed up version there. This has been done in vinyl, but we can do in leather and skiving it down, and therefore it would all match up. Originally they were black, but we do offer those trimmed up as well if you want. I think that about covers it. Thanks for staying tuned. Please remember to like, subscribe and share with other classic car enthusiasts, and keep an eye out for our latest updates. Cheers. Bye.